Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are not going to talk about any IT or computer related stuff. Instead we are going to talk about bicycle. I went to a scrap shop last week and where I found a very great deal regarding one bicycle. And it was not any bicycle, it was a SCOTT Reflex 20 bicycle. Here let me show you. It was a branded bicycle which really cost high in the market. As you have seen that it's missing some of the parts and needs lots of repair. The major problems when I purchased the bike were both of the tires was damaged. There was no air, so I need to replace the tire, tubes, plus the chain was not there. The chain was missing, so I need to install the chain. Another thing which is very critical is the freewheel gear. It needs 8-speed freewheel gear. The seat was also damaged. I need to replace the seat as well. Rest of the things are in good condition. Frame, alignment, rims, they are all perfect. So let's get started. This tire and tube I already done. I did not do it myself because we need a special tool to install this gear. This is the quick release wheel, so we can install it quickly and we can release it quickly. I will show you. First let's position the bike in a way to work on it easily. Like this. And here comes my toolbox. This is a quick release wheel. You can see there is a nut which can be tightened without tools. Here we go. And ta-da! Just tighten this nut using hand force. So the next part is to change the tube for the front tire. Just release it quickly. One more thing we need is the liner for the tire. As the rim has sharp edges, so we need to secure it using soft packing. You also need to make sure that the valve hole is accessible. The second step is to put back tire. Now we need to insert the tube. Let's close the tire from this end. We need some tool to put it back. Now that it's done, let's install it back. And it's time for chain. So it's a really tricky part. It's a 8-speed chain. The length is standardized, so I don't think I will be facing any issues. I will rotate the bike for you so you can see how I install the chain. This is the first time I am doing such work. Press it like this. I hope I didn't mess it up. So now it's done. Let's fill the air now. Okay, so finally we have changed the tires, tubes and installed the chain, adjusting gears. Everything looks fine. We also changed the saddle. I also did some tweaking for gears because it was not working, so I just replaced some of the sleeves to make it working properly. Change the gears. It's changing the gears. Go back. Very nice. Check the small one. It's getting. This is it for now. I think it's good to go. The brakes are working. The rear brake. The front shocks. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.